In this video, I will show you how to exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently logged into Monopoly Go. So what you're going to want to do from here is first of all come down to your album down in the bottom right hand corner down here. Press onto this to bring up all your current albums with all these stickers. Now to go ahead and change these for stars, what you're going to want to do is basically collect duplicates of stickers. So for example, you can see this one here in this album, there's a few, the ones that say like +1 and +2, you know I've got duplicates of. Now once you've gone ahead and got these stars, you can then come down to this safe in the bottom right hand corner. And if you press onto this, as you can see, I've got 58 stars, which is accumulated from all my duplicate stickers. Now once you've got these stars, you can come across to here, and when you've got enough, you can actually open up the safes to get different rewards. So that's how to go ahead and exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.